In this video, we will study compensators and controllers. So, compensators and controllers are minimum phase systems. Minimum phase systems. What it means is that poles and zeros lie on left hand side of S plane. So if this is an S plane, then poles and zeros lie only on the left hand side. So poles and zeros lie here only. Poles and zeros do not lie on the right hand side of S plane. Poles and zeros lie only on the left hand side of S plane. So this is the minimum phase system. It is generally represented as GC of S is equal to S plus Z upon S plus P. If we convert it to frequency domain, then this becomes GC of J omega equal to J omega plus Z upon J omega plus P. J omega plus Z upon J omega plus P. If we see the angle, then angle of GC of J omega will be equal to minus tan inverse of omega upon Z minus tan inverse of omega upon P. Tan inverse of omega upon Z minus tan inverse of omega upon P. This will be the angle of GC of J omega. Now for lead compensator, this angle GC of J omega must be greater than 0. GC of J omega, this angle is greater than 0 for lead compensator. For lead compensator, this angle is greater than 0, and this angle GC of J omega is less than 0 for lag compensator, hence it is called as lagging. So for lead compensator, this angle GC of J omega is greater than 0, and for lead compensator it is greater than 0, and for lag compensator it is less than 0. So for lead compensator it is greater than 0 means tan inverse of omega by Z is greater than tan inverse of omega by P. So omega by Z is greater than omega by P. So P will be greater than Z. So P will be greater than Z because omega by Z is greater than omega by P. So it means that P is greater than Z. So if P is greater than Z, then it is lead compensator. So the pole zero plot of lead compensator is like this. This will be P. So let's take an example, S plus 1 upon S plus 2. So value of P is 2 and value of Z is 1. So it is minus 2, and so pole is at minus 2 and 0 is at minus 1. This is the pole 0 plot of lead compensator. This is minus P minus Z, so minus 2 minus 1. This is pole 0 plot of lead compensator. Lead compensator. It is called as lead compensator because angle is leading, angle is greater than 0. It is also called as zero dominating system. It is also called as zero dominating system. Zero dominating system because 0 is closer to the origin. So lead compensator is also called as zero dominating system. Lead compensator is also called as zero dominating system because 0 is closer to the origin. So the lead compensator is also called as zero dominating system. Similarly, for lag compensator, the angle will be less than 0. For lag compensator, angle GC of j omega will be less than 0. So when angle is less than 0, then it is called as lag compensator. So for lag compensator, 0 will be greater than P. So this example could be 7 plus S plus 2 upon S plus 1. So this is a pole 0 plot of lag compensator. If we draw the pole 0 plot of lag compensator, then pole is closer to the origin. So pole is at -1 and 0 is at -2. So it is called as pole dominating system. Pole dominating system. Lag compensator is pole dominating system because in lag controller the pole is closer to the origin. In lead compensator 0 was closer to the origin, but in lag compensator this is pole 0 plot of lag compensator. So lag compensator is pole dominating system. Lag compensator is pole dominating system. Angle is less than 0 in the lag compensator. So 0 is greater than P or 0 or pole is closer to the origin. So in next video we will discuss PD, PI and PID controllers. PD, PI and PID controllers. For any doubt, comment in the comment box and please like, share the video and subscribe the channel.